how to find the IP, subnet mask, and router address on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the information icon right next to the name of the Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and tap on IP address. In here, you can touch and hold. Then you can copy the address, the IP address, onto the clipboard. Now you can do the same for subnet mask. So you can touch and hold and copy, as well as router information. So just tap on the copy button and you can copy those information onto the clipboard. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.